The humble whiteboard marker has been transformed by the V-Board Master from Pilot Pens. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Embodying no fewer than 18 applied patents, the technologically advanced V-Board Master is both easier to use and easier to read than traditional whiteboard markers. The whiteboard markers combine a liquid ink with a revolutionary twin-pipe feed system to guarantee constant ink flow. One pipe carries the ink to the tip, while the other feeds air back to the reservoir. There's no need to pump or shake the marker, and there's no danger of leakage, just a constant, steady flow of ink. And the transparent ink reservoir gives an instant indication of the ink level when it's time to refill as well. Find out more about the V-Board Master and how it's equally at home in the boardroom and on the shop floor by visiting pilotpen.com.au. I'm Tim Webster, and thanks for watching.